that circle mean? That just
Hi again and welcome back. So today what we are going to discuss is one of the most important part in your kalimba playing because this has to do with your tone or the key or simply what scale your sound is. There are songs that have specific keys or tones. So example, let's say you want to play this song is in the key of C, but the original version is in the key of G. And then sometimes you come here along and try to play the song at the same time and you're wondering why do they sound the same? Probably because the key is different. What we're just trying to explain in this episode is that you should be aware that some songs have different keys. They have different scales. Here's the thing. You don't have to memorize the scales. You don't have to memorize the keys. Okay. Step 1, search for the key of your song. So, example, Sinking Deep, as you have saying, what is the key of Sinking Deep? They answered, it's D major. Next, step 2, know what the D major scale looks like. So, in your search bar, type in D major scale piano. Of course, click that image, go to the pictures so you can see it. So click the pictures and you're going to see what keys have the sharps or flats. Then from there, start tuning your kalimba. Remember, just the keys that are different in a sense that what have the sharps, what have the flats. So in our example, a D major, it is your F sharps and C sharps. So all the Fs, move them to an F sharp. All your Cs, change them to a C sharp. And your kalimba will be in the tuning of D. That's all you need to know. Teachers who could give you an in-depth explanation of what that is. So if you want to save time and just want to know, give me the meat. What are you trying to say? How do I apply it? That's basically it. Search for the key, look what that scale look like, and tune your kalimba to that scaling. Oh, you're gonna see. You are going to love it once you first try to change the key without even changing the whole thing. Like, oh my gosh, this is 17 key. You mean all of them? I need to adjust them just to have to play just to play A? No. Just know those keys that needs adjustment. Basically, that's it. Isn't it great? Yes, it's neat. Even at least one person hopefully was enlightened with that. So, if that's you, let me know. Did that help you? Did that made it simpler? And I hope this was helpful. If that helped, do let me know in the comments. I love reading your comments and it makes me feel like someone is actually listening. So, let me know. Now that you know the scales, we're going to the chords. This is going to be very exciting. So, stay tuned. We're going to discuss that and I will see you again on our next video. Try to practice that today, right now, okay? Change your key to, let's see, G. G is easy. Till then.